Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to turn on or turn off the blind spot assist. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not 100% sure if this will apply to the older models, but it should. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now before I show you how to enable it or disable it, so what is a blind spot assist? You see in the top left corner of this door mirror, there is like a small triangle. Now, if you are driving and you have a vehicle in your blind spot, this triangle will light up, meaning it's not safe to merge lanes. That's what it is. To enable or disable this setting, you want to tap onto the vehicle on the main screen. Then you want to select safety and driving assistance. You want to go down to blind spot alert, and you can choose to have it off, have only light, or also have light and a sound signal as well. Now I believe you should always have this set to on, just because sometimes we all get distracted while driving, and just to make sure you don't merge onto the other vehicle. Now, having this on doesn't mean you don't have to turn your head anymore and check the blind spot. You should always do that, but this is just one more extra safety measurement which can help you while you are driving, especially if you drive in a large city and things like that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.